Hey folks, Eric here at Kelly's Concept, used car dealership located 543 Bennett Lane, Suite 102, Louisville, Texas. Today, on another episode of DIY of You Can Do It, we are working on a 2008 128 convertible. This applies to all the e87, e88 series, one series BMWs. They're a little bit different than your other series BMWs. So, typical situation, you go pull your hood latch and no response at all. Typically because it's something either snapped or broken with the hood release assembly. So first things first, just grab your kidney grills, especially just on the driver's side, but I already taken off here. Just grab it and yank it out. And as you look in here, you'll look up where the latch mechanism is. The 1 Series is a little bit different than the other BMW series. That's kind of hard to see because of sunlight. Grab yourself a little real hardy screwdriver. In here, just give it a little twist to the left. And it opens your hood. All right, folks, now that we have the hood open, I'm going to try to show you a visual from up top so you can have a better understanding what's going on. Once again, get your big screwdriver, go through your kidney grill area that you open up here. You want to put it right there. So the idea is to push the catch to the left, at the same time pushing the lever up. So you want to go in there, twist it counterclockwise, and let's go. And that's it, your hood's open. Hope that helps you guys out. This was a pickle for us too. So our problem here was this cable that goes to the junction box that goes to the inside is all rusted out and broken. We'll be ordering a new one and replacing that. Stay tuned for that video, but hopefully this helps you out.